What's going on, you guys? It's your boy 345 Hemi Rob. So I was gonna go ahead and continue with the intro, but never seen this before. First time I'm seeing this. No one ever uses this car, so it kind of fits the theme. But yeah, y'all see baby girl out there? My girlfriend had ordered food, and I was like, hey, actually, I need a video for today. So, or actually tomorrow, which is when you guys are seeing this. So I was like, why not? Yeah, I definitely didn't want to leave you guys with yet another week of no upload. So anyways, no further talking, and we'll go ahead, get in the car, start it up for you guys, and yeah, just continue this video on a nice little warm Sunday afternoon, or evening, actually. Jeez. We finna do a little key remote start. Ooh, the LED's always hitting, man. I don't know if y'all heard that, but that just like cracked in my ear. That was loud, man. Oh, it's hot in here. How hot does it say it is? It is 109 degrees, man. I don't know about y'all, but I'm kind of ready for winter, man. But right now we're gonna start off the drive. I still don't know how I'm gonna film this, whether it's gonna be a POV or just me holding it in front of me. I have no idea, but obviously, you guys are about to see right now. So once we get out the neighborhood, I will go ahead and pick this back up. Sheesh, we got the little scatty out today. Yeah, anyways, we're making our way right now. And real quick, before I forget, so I have 1 or 2 video ideas that I kind of want to run through you guys, see if that's something that you guys would enjoy or tolerate at the very least. Basically, what I have in mind to do to the car is just maintenance things. I kind of just wanted to know if that's something you guys would find interesting. For one, I have an oil change coming up. That might be its own video or included with the second thing, an alignment. If you guys want both, I'll make it into one video. If not, I can do like separate. I don't know if that's milking it too much or not. I don't know. I need you guys' input for sure. With the whole oil change, I can like film that in the direction of like a how-to, or just like a quick, it could be like a quick 2-minute thing in the video and then something else plays. If you guys really care or don't care about it, it would be kind of nice to know. If you're watching this right now, it doesn't hurt to comment. It's completely free. It takes like 10 seconds. It would help me out greatly to figure out what y'all want to see from me and don't. Just wanted to say that before I forget. So yeah, I'll see you guys right now. Another scatty. Sheesh. Ladies and gentlemen, do I have some disheartening news? There is a cop in the tunnel where I was gonna do a pull. Someone just had to get pulled over in there, bruh. Well, let me just reverse everything I just did. Take it out of sport, take it out of manual. So hopefully on the way back I can find another tunnel or something, because that's a little rough. That's a little rough. Look at us being cheese muscles and shit. Woo. Damn, that's tough. I don't know if y'all were able to see that. I don't want to make it too obvious that I'm recording. Y'all know where we at. All right, y'all. I'm gonna put down the camera. Actually, I might take y'all in there with me. I mean, break a little bit of that social anxiety. Having the camera out might be helpful. All right, y'all. We have secured the bag, as y'all can see. Tried to film in there. Social anxiety got a little bit up there, so your boy had to hold back just a little bit. I don't know why, but I'm going through the same tunnel that I just said there's a cop in. This is awkward. We'll see what's up, man. If I don't get a tunnel pole, I'll at least get like a normal pole or something. Oh, something might. Hey, yo, money cannot buy you taste at all. Like, you might have the money to do whatever you want, but if you don't have that taste, it's not gonna be there. Now, of course, you customize your car how you want, how you enjoy. Personally, that's how I feel, man. Anyways, like I said, we secured the bag. Don't want to keep repeating myself. Comment down below what y'all think I should do with the oil change, the alignment. But as soon as this video goes live, go ahead and head over to my Instagram at 345.hemirob. No uppercase, just straight that. And as well as it popping up on the screen, it's gonna be down in the description below. But basically, I'm gonna be asking like, oh, what content would you guys want to see on the channel next? just so that way I can plan out these next couple weeks with what videos and with who, and like basically just have everything organized and ready. That especially helps with the whole editing process, because that means I have less to edit because it's more planned and put together. As soon as you guys see this video, head over to my Instagram, type in what you guys would want to see on the channel. Mind you, I am trying to stay away from like races, yeah, just mainly races overall, for obvious reasons. Basically, suggest anything but racing, because I can't do that. A little bit of an insider scoop is what I have up and coming for the car. Number one, the hood is getting wrapped matte black. I'll decide if I want to film a video on that, like the whole process, like probably ask the person that's wrapping it, ask them if I can film the process possibly, and them explain it. So on top of that, I also have a diffuser coming. There for sure will be an installation video, but once again, I don't know if I want to treat it like you know, a how-to, or just like me doing it and like kind of just showing it off. I don't know, we'll decide there. But after those two things, definitely want to get tint, still in a fishbowl, as y'all can see, clear as day. Yeah, and then after that, this is like getting into the future now. This is like lowering springs, front splitters, side skirts, I already said rear diffuser. The rear diffuser valences though, those I'm on the fence about. I might at some point put a poll up on my Instagram, like I said, link down below, to show off whether that would be a good look or not, because it makes it, I don't want to say it's like a wide body kit, because it's not a wide body kit. It just makes the rear bottom bumper like flare out a little bit more, and it also connects with the diffuser, so it kind of makes it a little more beefy. Yeah, we will be getting to the end of this video here soon. Like I try to say in every video, sometimes I forget, go ahead and follow my social medias down below. Check out my previous videos if you're new. Don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. It is all completely free. It all takes probably 15-20 seconds or less to do all three of those. Comment, like, and subscribe. It takes probably 30 seconds max. When you guys leave likes consistently, when you guys leave comments, when you guys subscribe, it pushes the algorithm in the YouTube system to push me more. So I'm in the suggested box more, the Explorer page, whatever. When someone looks up Dodge Charger, I might be the first video to pop up just off the traffic. Yeah, I mean, it goes a super long way. Anyways, should I race this new Camaro? Y'all see it? Yo, I can't even hate though, because Dodge might have been like one of the last companies to do it, but they finally went electric, and they also came out with another SUV. It's called the Hornet. Don't know how I feel about it. Fully electric. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I probably should have made this video just talking about that, because I could talk about that for an hour, you know what I mean? Basically, if y'all hadn't seen the Dodge announcements, basically what's going on is they're getting rid of V8s completely. That's the Hellcat, the RT, the Scat, I think that's the only V8s they have. Obviously the trucks as well, the pickup trucks, and the Durango. Damn, man, they're going full electric. They're getting rid of them, and basically for the RT and the Scat Pack, which are the lower level V8s compared to the Hellcat, of course, instead of going electric, from what I've heard, I don't know if this is true or not, they're going to be making a V6. I don't know if it's twin turbo or single turbo, but there's a catch though. Yes, it's a V6. It's going to sound nasty. Nasty as in bad, if I really had to clear that up. Stock, it will make more power. From what I've seen, what I've looked up, it's about 500 wheel horsepower. I don't know how true that is, but if it is, I mean, think about it. You are sacrificing the sound and just the sound, man. Like, it sounds so basic. Like, oh, just the sound's gonna go away. But that's kind of everything for these cars, man. Like, if you ask most Dodge owners, I can guarantee that at some point they're gonna say, oh, I love how the car sounds, or oh, that V8, you know what I mean? Like, that's a big selling point for this car, for them, and for them to just like get rid of it and just go with the V6 option with a twin turbo or single turbo, don't quote me on that. It's kind of crazy to me. I thought they would just go full electric, definitely not V6, because I thought they would never do it. I guess I thought they would never do it. Even though they already had a V6 around, I just didn't think they would spread that to the rest of the platforms, like the RT, the Scat, and I think the Hellcat eventually. Of course, we saw the electric Challenger. We don't know if that's like the Hellcat version or whatever they want to call it. But it's kind of lame, But where I was getting with all this is, what would you guys take? Would you guys take the twin turbo V6 that makes more power, is easier to mod for power stuff, cheaper? The bottom of the engine is also built so it will be able to handle bigger turbos, supercharger if you really wanted to, with just minor modifications to the engine itself. Yeah, man, I'm stuck in between, man. I don't know. I'm kind of leaning more towards like, oh, I'm gonna miss the V8, like the sound, everything with that. I don't know, man. And then I think about the power, and I'm just like, well, maybe this will make up for the sound being gone. But I just know it won't be the same, man. It won't be the same. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about that in the comments down below. Are you sad they're getting away with the V8s, or are you, environmentally positive here, where you're like, yeah, like this has to happen. This, hell yeah, green. I don't know what that was, but yeah, I mean, let me know how y'all feel about it. And I think it's gonna be the end of the video. I know I did go on a rant towards the end of the video, did not expect it. That topic just popped up into my head randomly. But yeah, basically I will go ahead and catch you guys on next week's upload. Don't forget to turn post notifications on. Follow the social media down below to be up to date with upload times, what I'm uploading, maybe behind the scenes, or how to get involved, like I always say. If y'all reach out and hit me up like, yo, you trying to film this video and it's sick and it's not like racing, like I said, I am completely down to link up and film what we can. And it could be a content day for both of us, whether it's like you have a YouTube, whether you want to post for TikTok, Instagram, whatever. I'm down, man. Just, it's a quick little DM. Don't be embarrassed. Don't be this and that, man. Come on. We're a community out here, man. I feel like I talked a lot in this video. I feel like I'm annoying y'all, but what else are y'all gonna do other than listen to me for the rest of the video? Like, you know what I mean? That's what you guys watch, to see what your boy has to say. But yeah, I really gotta shut up now. This has been your boy 345 Hemi Rob, and I will go ahead and catch you guys in the next upload. Peace.